Hey, I would like to share with you some information about interactive reports in Google Data Studio based on several data sources. Look, how does it look like? For example, I have different pages in my report. I have budget page, I have total leads page, I can split leads by channels and can see some dashboards about each channel. This is random numbers, don't look at them. And this is really beautiful, and client can change data range and choose and can see data that he wants to see. Now, how does it look? If we edit this and go to some dashboard, we can see that I use which data source do I use, and I use Google Sheets data source. I use Google Sheets. You can see. Let's go to Google Sheets and see how does it work there. I have several pages here. One of them is this special page that I upload to Google Data Studio. This page should have header that should have clear data. For example, if you have data with numbers, you should use only numbers here. If you use text even in one cell, all your report will ruin because of that, so be careful with this. And if you see, I have link to other page here, name Google Ads. Let's go here. And this page is totally automatic. I use Google Sheets add-ons to create this. Look how does it work. I go to add-on, I choose Adveronics. I will give you a link under the video and launch it. And I will choose connector that I want. For example, for my example, I want to show you Google Ads connector. Let's go to Google Ads. I select my Google Ads account. I select customer. I will select empty account that will not share data of my clients. I can choose report type, for example, account performance, or I can choose campaign performance or ads group performance. I think account performance will be enough now. I choose filter. I choose fields. For example, now I will choose the same that I already have in this spreadsheet. I want to show day, impressions, clicks, cost, conversion, and all conversions. I think will be enough for now. I can choose data range. For example, I would like to choose this year. So I choose 1st of January till today. You have till today and yesterday. Maybe yesterday is more clear because I will have like whole day data. I can sort it. I prefer to sort by day. I can add filter, but for this case I do not need it. I can include or exclude 0 impressions. I will include it here. And I have options where I can choose where my report will be placed, and I can include header, and I can save report. This is important. I can save it as a Google Ads test 3, for example, and please check where is your mouse. I check my mouse is A1. It's okay, and I press get data. Look what do we have. Our data, our tab, our data. Now look to our data now it's clear. We have all the same data as we have here on fields, and for this period, for this data range, for example, we started from 1st of January and we finished in 15th of November today. So that's it, and we can go to report tab in add-on and we can schedule our reports. And for example, we can choose that please schedule this report every day at 3 o'clock. For me it's okay. I can choose update reports weekly or monthly base, but I think daily base it's really nice. And I click OK, and now every day at 3 o'clock a.m. all my reports will update. So I think that's it. So I can upload data from different data sources and mix them in Google Sheets in different tabs and connect these tabs to Google Data Studio to create beautiful reports for your clients. I hope my advice was helpful for you. Sorry, we'll be happy to get your comments, and have a good day and good luck with your reports. Bye bye.